everyone, SP Styles here from your Africa showing. I'm just here to do a quick tutorial, and I mean quick because I gotta get out the house right now. But, sorry, not tutorial. Product review. That took me a minute. Okay, so what I'm reviewing is actually not like a shampoo and conditioner, that type of product. I'm actually reviewing a blow dryer. So my mom found this blow dryer on the military base, Air Force, and it's amazing. So I'm going to quickly blow dry my hair, which is why I have these 3 little puffs because I just washed it. And so this is the blow dryer, Chi Deep Brilliance hair dryer, developed for highly textured hair. What I will say is that it's very hot. So I guess that's what they mean for highly textured hair, because it gets the hair a little straighter because it's hotter. But with that means also remember not to overdo it because heat damage and yada yada yada. Okay, so I'm going to get started because I gotta get out of here. It comes with 3 attachments: the nozzle, diffuser, and what I'm going to be using, the handy dandy pick attachment, because as you guys saw in my other blow dry video, I had some fangled ghetto blow dry attachment that didn't even fit the other blow dryer, so I had to have it wrapped on with an old headband. Thank God I don't have to do that anymore because it used to pop off. Now I can blow dry my natural hair and all of my clients' natural hair so easily because this stays on. It has different heat settings, so that's low, or warm and hot, low and high. And then it has this ionic button, so you can turn the ionic or not. And then the cool shot button, of course, which on most blow dryers, including this one, you have to hold down while you're blow drying. So it's so light. It's like, gosh, I don't know, maybe a pound. I don't know what weights are or how it feels, but let me get started and show you how fast I get my hair blow dried. So with this blow dryer, heat protector, Chi 44 Iron Guard, my favorite. Going to use a little bit of this Shea Moisture Growth Thickening Milk. About that much. And I'm also going to put a little Vatica oil. Well, there we go. Vatica oil. Okay. A little bit. Okay, like that. And now I'm going to mix some in my hands and then apply to my hair. And my hair was already detangled in the shower, which is why I threw it in these 3 little ponies to keep it detangled. So, here we go. And it's not so loud. And it's slippery. My video footage says 10 minutes and 40 seconds. And I wasted a little bit of time in between there, but look at that. And I talked. So that means that it probably took me all of 5, 6, 7 minutes to blow dry my hair. And as you see, it's really fluffy, really moves. Okay, I'm done. And here is my hairstyle. Little pin curl bumps or knots on the sides of the twist. And a handy dandy banana clip in the back with afro, puffy, fluff to your liking. Okay. Earrings upside down. Alright. Hope y'all enjoy. Ciao, ciao.